Luke, one of the first things that comes to mind when I think of you is servant-hearted. You have such a deep love for people, and you go out of your way and give so sacrificially to make sure that others are cared for. You have been such a blessing in my life. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, for supporting me in the difficult times, for rejoicing with me in the good times, and always, always laughing with me along the way. I know that there will be both difficult and easy times ahead, but both will be made better because we will be walking through them together. I love you.
From this day forth, I will stand by your side. I will affirm your value and worth. I will journey through life with you faithfully, now and always. I will treasure you for the beautiful woman you are here and forevermore.
What therefore God hath joined together, let not man put asunder. Luke, you may kiss your bride. Luke and Liesl, may you love God with all of your heart, soul, mind, and strength. May you keep his commands, and in doing so find abundant life, abounding blessing, and ever-increasing joy.
Both of you are starting off in life, and both of you have a lot of love and a lot of joy still in your life.
Liesl is so much more than a best friend to me. She is pretty much family. I can't imagine my life without her.
Just goes to show Luke is just a man of character, integrity. Liesl, you are getting a great husband, and we know that from when we met you, you guys are going to be awesome together. So
to Luke and Liesl.
To Luke and Liesl.
Cheers to Luke and Liesl.
Told me of a time you worked with minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South. Spoke with tears for 15 years. How is dark in here?